All right, this is the Illegals 12-S2. This, I just love this reel. It has a cast system that's unbelievable. It's a non-magnetic cast system, which is based off the spool. And because it's based off the spool, it uses no magnets, which means no rusting. I also added on a casting trigger by John Truong of Boiling Tuna. That means that when you cast this, it creates a fulcrum point so you can get extreme distances on it. Now, in this video, I will be showing that I will wet the line first by giving a half-ass throw and then working up to a good throw. When the line's wet, everything's lubricated, and you're going to get far distance with no line friction. So the trigger actually creates all the fulcrum that you need to cast far. You will love this beautiful reel. Trust me. Okay, I just pulled on 335 yards. So let's just give this a simple thumb spin. See what happens. Okay, at a minute 40 seconds, just stop it from there. That's not bad. This is just a simple thumb spin. Oops. Almost got away from me. You notice I just use one hand because the other hand is holding on to my cell phone. So it's just a simple thumb action here, and just going to see how long this will last. You know, for a basic thumb spin, that wasn't too bad because I really couldn't crank up on it. That's not bad at all. I mean, right now I just hit 1 minute. So it's still going. So when you put some weight on this, it'd be very interesting to see what kind of casting distance I have, since it has a cast control. And it's a non-magnetic cast control. Well, I just hit a minute and a half and it's just barely going, but that's not bad.